Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you, I get asked all the time about when we're doing the brand new construction, but what are these big old marks coming down this wall here? And we're gonna have cars coming alongside here of the road here, but see these marks all being, these vertical marks, and it looks like wormholes coming down through here, right? But what it is this is where they put the drill, and they drilled this down inside of here, dropped dynamite down inside these little holes down in here as they drilled in it, and then they blew this rock, dynamited out this rock. And that's what that is. Ain't that cool? And see how they done that all up and down through here. I'll just kind of walk up and down through here, show you a little bit. But that's exactly what that is. Hey, if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe. It would really help. It'd help other people learn what you're learning. You can share the knowledge, and we would really greatly appreciate any of your help. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.